Happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with 3 different work from home job leads. There are some that are in like the human resources field, some that are in billing. So some of these are non-phone. I also have a phone for those of you who don't like customer service. All 3 of these jobs are hiring completely globally, so in the United States as well as outside the United States. So we will run through them really quickly so you can go ahead and get a start to your weekend. First up, we have the company RocketChat. Now, RocketChat is hiring remote worldwide, they say, and they're looking for a people engagement and development specialist. So this is going to be more in the human resources field. They are looking for someone to drive and coordinate the culture committee inside of the company with the employees. You'll be building policies, the routines, supporting the actions, and empowering the members. You'll coordinate and manage key internal communications with employees in order to convey the values that are promoted by RocketChat. You'll also organize any internal events. You'll monitor the engagement of the employees, and you'll promote monthly meetings to discuss and present the results, support managers on how to use tools, and generate actions to improve the work environment. So you're really going to be internally giving the vibe of the great place to work. You'll also propose any recommendations to increase employee engagement. Outside of that, you'll help the organization with the training goals. You'll also develop diversity and inclusion initiatives and provide training and support for all the departments. So this is kind of like a piece of the human resources. They are looking for someone who's a deep knowledge of people development, someone who can build relationships, has good communication skills, and is passionate about training and learning. Now, of course, pay is always dependent on location and experience, so that will have to be asked at the time of the interview. They did not list pay for this position. Next up, the company Metabase is hiring a business operations associate. Now, this is remote globally. And this position is in the billing field. They're looking for someone to set up customer accounts in their billing platform, which they use Stripe. You'll manage billing inquiries for their customers around the world, and you'll handle any complex situations that come up with the customers. You may have to follow up with customers who are behind on their payment, and you'll write blueprints for the billing operations, design simple and efficient processes, and document them. Now, this one does require a degree. It requires a bachelor's degree in some kind of quantitative field, which is finance, accounting, math, engineering, one of those. They want someone who has 2 years experience in some kind of finance, accounting, or operations role, someone who has a great quantitative skills and also can use either Excel or Google Sheets, someone who has strong written communication skills and is a problem solver. And last but not least, we have the company Growth Cave. They are hiring a remote customer support representative. Now, this does say anywhere in the world, but they are basically looking for someone to help with onboarding, coaching, and holding a clients accountable to their action items and goals. So you'll help with contracts being signed, onboarding the new clients, preventing and resolving refund and cancellation requests, recovering defaulted payments, receiving testimonials for clients, and keeping organized and up to date and with the daily metrics. Now, they are looking for someone who has the people skills and leadership skills, someone who has strong attention to detail. And it does say, even though they don't list the pay, that they offer a benefit package including training, development, paid time off, and wellness resources. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, if these job leads were not for you, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.